7 common causes of house fires and how to prevent them. Cooking fires are among the most common types of house fires, causing around 48% of all residential fires. They are very often caused by greases that become overheated on a stove or in an oven. Grease is highly flammable when it gets hot enough, about 600 degrees Fahrenheit on average, and when it reaches that point, it can combust spontaneously, even without direct flame contact. Once grease is ignited, it is very difficult to smother the flames. Home space heaters and baseboard heaters can cause fire when fabrics and other combustibles are left too close to them. Heating appliances of various types are the second leading cause of residential fires, responsible for approximately 15% of all home fires. According to the Consumer Products Safety Commission (CPSC), some 25,000 home fires causing more than 300 deaths occur in the U.S. each year. Various types of electrical faults in home wiring cause about 51,000 fires each year, accounting for nearly 500 deaths, 1,400 injuries, and about $1.3 billion in property damage. According to the EFSI Electrical Safety Foundation International, most typically, electric fires occur because of short circuits causing arcing, sparking that ignites building materials, or from circuits that are overloaded with current, causing wires to overheat. Electrical problems account for about 10% of all residential fires, but this type of fire is often deadly, accounting for almost 19% of deaths due to home fire. This is likely because electrical fires often ignite in hidden locations and build into major fires before residents are aware of them. And such fires frequently may ignite while residents are sleeping. Smoking is hazardous to your health in many ways, including the potential for igniting fires from cigarette butts dropped on carpeting, furniture, or other flammable materials. Fires from cigarettes and smoking materials cause nearly 1,000 deaths and 3,000 injuries each year in the U.S., according to the National Fire Protection Association. While cigarettes and other smoking materials account for only about 5% of home fires, these are particularly deadly fires, responsible for about 23% of all fire deaths, the single most common cause. This is likely because these fires often ignite when a resident falls asleep. The National Fire Protection Association estimates that candles cause an average of 8,200 house fires, 15,600 house fires, 80 deaths, and 770 injuries each year in the U.S. The matches and lighters used to light candles are equally dangerous if left in a place where children can reach them. Keep matches and lighters locked in a secure place if you have kids, and never leave a candle burning in a room that is unattended. Although fires caused by chemical reactions are more common in industrial, commercial locations, they are also a common cause of home fires. Residential chemical fires occur most commonly when volatile vapors from gasoline and other petroleum liquids reach a flash point temperature or when the fumes contact a source of open flame. Another common type of chemical fire is spontaneous combustion, the reaction of chemicals combining with oxygen in the air to produce enough heat to reach a flash point and ignite in flame. Christmas trees are a holiday tradition for many families, but they come with some risks. Real evergreen trees tend to dry out over time, and by the end of the holiday season, they can pose a very serious danger of flash fire. A hot light or a spark can immediately set the tree aflame, and such fires spread incredibly fast, engulfing a room in a matter of seconds. While fires caused by Christmas trees are much less common than other causes, about 170 cases annually in the U.S., according to fire department statistics, such fires can be quite deadly. 1 out of every 45 Christmas tree fires results in death. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.